if you come in and you want to install it yourself, I'll be glad to show you, do a quick demo on the floor. But should you get stuck or have a problem, you're always welcome to call me, and if we should have the time, I'll come out to your house and spend up to an hour. We had one lady one time where the vinyl floor was kind of like flapping in the wind in between the doorway. So she called me up, I show up, and the guy's like, "What are you doing here?" The husband. And I'm like, "Well, I'm here to help you, I guess." He's like, "I don't need no help." I'm like, "Well, she said something wasn't right." And he goes, "Well, maybe it's this." And so I said, "Well, hold on, let me show you how to do it." So we took it apart, and then I ended up taking probably about 2 or 3 rows apart, put it all back together, and then showed him how you cut around that so he doesn't have the piece flapping. And so we fixed it for him, and then of course the wife was happy and the husband was like, "Oh, all right, I guess now I know how to do that next time."